Hello there. It's nice to see you again. Yes, I forgot. Hello there. It's nice to see you again. I see some familiar faces and I also see new faces. So for those of you who doesn't know me, I am Rosalinda Bernabe, and I work as a freelance consultant, usually providing two services. One is solutions for projects, programs, and portfolio management areas. And secondly, I am one of the top-notch bilingual resources within the industry. I am privileged enough to have shared with you how project management plan is developed or created with a different purpose in mind when you are a project manager, a program manager, or a portfolio manager. To recap, a project manager develops a plan to manage on behalf of the team a specific product, service, or results, and then it's handed over to the business operations. A program manager develops a plan to manage collectively a set of projects, sub-programs, and programs to obtain and realize benefits not available from managing them individually. This is to ensure that the benefits that will be derived from different projects and other large projects consolidated as a big program are aligned with what the benefits wants or the goal and objectives of the corporation. And lastly, a portfolio manager develops a plan to balance the conflicting demands between initiatives, in this case projects or multiple programs, operations, and a company's resources, the people within the company and equipment, to ensure that strategy to implementation management is most effective. Having said that, to reinforce that my recommendation that portfolio management is actually one of the best options to manage and bring results to the organization, I'd like to talk to you about the pyramid. So most corporations these days create mission and vision statement. This is because they represent what the company is about and what they are. It tells the resources within and the client outside, the end customers, what the company is trying to achieve and what are the products and services that they have that offer distinctive value against other competitors that offer similar services or products. And at the bottom of the pyramid, we can see the organizational resources, which is us. We are the foundation that brings value and ensures that the value chain creation within the organization is derived and serves as a cycle that encompasses the ecosystem within the organization and outside of it. And the portfolio management framework ensures that the management of authorized projects and programs is also aligned with what is going to happen with the business as usual or operations in order to ensure that it produces value and also bring about new services that would ensure competitive advantage within the organization. That is the reason that portfolio management ensures that all the resources within the organization, staff, equipment, patents, intellectual property, these are aligned with what you need to do on a daily basis in order to manage the company and also what you need to do in the future to bring about continuous revenue or value proposition within your corporation. So when you are assigned this function of managing and ensuring alignment of resources against the initiative, you need to create a portfolio vision. And in this case, we need to do three things. The first one is it will help clarify the direction in which to proceed. So the portfolio vision must be aligned with what the mission statement is all about, which defines what the company will need to do and what it is now, and also the vision, which is what the company is trying to achieve in the future. Secondly, The portfolio vision should reflect the organization's cultural values. If your corporation has a tendency to be not as innovative or not as agile, then when managing a project, using Agile or Scrum methodologies might not be as effective as using waterfall technology or extreme project management. And lastly, it should be meaningful and valid to the stakeholders. If your stakeholders are very, very risk averse, then implementing an order management system that you have no control at all would be meaningless or would not be as useful or effective. This is the reason that the portfolio vision and how you manage your operations and projects within is important also, and it should be as aligned as possible, because portfolio management ensures that you define what the strategy is, you meaning the management define what the strategy is, and you help the management team deliver value and ensure alignment to the strategy. That's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you very much.